Hello, friends. It's your man, Brayden. I want to come at y'all with another video. This is how you know you really care for a person. If you can sit on the phone with them while they're snoring, while they're snoring so loud in the mic. I think that's where you get to a point in life where you like, dang, you really care for a person. Even though it's annoying, but that's how you know, like, dang, I care for this person. If I can sit here and listen to them snore. You know what I'm saying? Like, not saying that's what I want to do, but when you care for a person, you will do it. Take that in mind, man. I love y'all, man. I'm out.